Next is linear differential equation. Please remember that for linear differential equation, important compulsory asked in the exam for 5 marks question. Fixed question is. And here there are two patterns, but we consider only one pattern. That is the dy by dx plus py equal to q form, where p and q are, where p and q, this constant p and q, they are constants or function of x alone. They are either they are constant or they are function of x. They are contain only the x. Is called linear differential equation. Okay, and working rule for this linear differential equation is, very first step is the given equation we can write it is in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q. Second step is calculate integrating factor. The integrating factor is e integration of q dx, means this one we are taking the integration. Next, general solution formula. General solution formula is y into if. Y into if equal to integration of q into if. Y into if equal to integration of q into if dx plus c. This is the working rule for linear differential equation. Okay, we will do one by one example. Examples are very important. Compulsory asked in the exam for 5 marks. Fixed question it is. Remember that. Fixed question. Okay, we will take one example. X into dy by dx. X into dy by dx plus 2y equal to x square log x. X into dy by dx plus 2y equal to x square log x. This is the given example. We will do solution. See, we need, it is in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q. Means dy by dx is free from the variables. Means what we can do? Divide throughout by x. Okay, divide solution. Divide throughout by x. We get divided x by x dy by dx plus 2 by x y, next x square log x by x. X get cancelled. This is dy by dx plus 2 by x into y. 1x get cancelled. X log x. Okay, compare this one with dy by dx plus py equal to q. Compare this. What is the definition says? P and q are constants or functions of x. Of course, see, this 2 by x represent function of x. Therefore, p of y. What is the p? P is 2 by x. And q, whatever left, that is x square, x log x. What? X log x. And very first step is calculate integrating factor. E integration of p dx. E integration of 2 by x dx. Okay. E take 2 outside, integration of 1 by x dx. E 2 outside, 1 by x integration is log x. Log x. Okay. And just concentrate here. We know that log of x to the power 2 can be written as 2 log x. Correct. Using that property, we can written e to the power log of x square. And I already explained in differentiation, exponential and log both are get cancelled. Left it is x square. Means integrating factor will get it is in the form of only x square. Okay. And second, the formula. Next, formula, general solution formula is y into if is equal to integration of q into if with respect to x. Y into if is x square q. What is your q? X log x. Integrating factor x square dx, or y into x square is equal to x cube log x dx. Correct. X cube log x dx. Means which part we are using here? Integration by parts method we have to apply and we have to calculate. See, in this case we are taking f of x is and g of x is. Okay, I will take g of x is x cube because we can't do the integration, and f of x will take log x, we can do the differentiation. And we have the formula integration of f of x into g of x. Formula is f of x integration of g of x and integration g of x d by dx of f of x with respect to x. Therefore, this can be written as integration of x cube log x can be written as log x as it is integration of x cube minus integration of integration x cube d by dx of log x. Then we make it is log x cube integration is x to the power 4 by 4 minus integration x to the power 4 by 4 log x differentiation is 1 by x dx. Okay, and this can be written as, okay, this can be written as 6 just log x to the power 4 by 4 minus 1 by 4 integration of 1x get cancelled x cube with respect to x. Okay, and this can be written as x to the power 4 by 4 log x minus 1 by 4 integration of x cube is x to the power 4 by 4 plus c. Okay, x to the power 4 by 4 plus c. Just concentrate what we have done here. The given example we are comparing in the form of dy by dx plus dy equal to q. Means the given example can be written in the form of the given example. We can write it as dividing throughout by x, we get dy by dx 2 by x while x get cancelled x log x. Means we are comparing this one with dy by dx plus dy equal to q. If p is what here 2 by x, q is x log x. Very first step is calculate integrating factor, that is e to the power p dx. E to the power 2 by x, take to 1 by x, 1 by x means log x, and according to property of logarithm we can write log of x square, and we know that in differential e and log r get cancelled, therefore we can write it is x square. And general solution of linear differential equation is y into if is equal to integration of q into if dx. Y into x square, q is x log x into, and this is x cube log x, means it is function of how many number of variable, 2 variable, therefore we consider f of x is log x, g of x is x to the power 4, and we are applying what it is integration by parts method. Then log x as it is x cube as it is differentiation of log x. Log x as it is integration of x cube is x to the power 4 by 4 minus x cube is x to the power 4 by 4 log x differentiation is 1 by x. Therefore, log x to the power 4 by 4 minus 1 by 4 I will write as it is 1x get cancelled x cube, and this can be written as x to the power 4 by 4 log x minus 1 by 4 as it is x to the power 4 by 4. That one we are call this is equation 1. This is equation 2. Okay, substitute the value of 2 in equation 1. Correct. Substitute the value of 1 in equation 2. We get 1 into x square is, what is x cube log x is x to the power 4 by 4 log x minus 1 by 4 into 4 is 16 x to the power 4 plus c. This is the answer. How we can do the example, and such type of examples are asked in the exam for 5 marks question. Okay, we will do another one also. Okay, next example is dy by dx. Next example is dy by dx plus y by x is x squared. This is the given example. Okay, and compare this one with the dy by dx plus py equal to q. Correct? Here p y by x can be done as 1 by x into 1. Correct? And already in the definition they mentioned what? P represent function of x or constant. What is our function of x here? 1 by x. And q is what? Okay. In this way we can complete. After knowing this, we can calculate integrating factor. Integrating factor is e integration of p dx. E integration of 1 by x dx. E 1 by x is log x. E log x cancel, we get x. This is integrating factor. Next, general solution. General solution is y into if is equal to integration of q into if dx. Okay, y into x is q. Q is x square into x dx. X into y into x or x into y, both are same. X cube dx. X into y, x cube is x to the power 4 by 4 plus. This is the general solution of linear differential equations. Still, if you want, you can xy minus x to the power 4 by 4 plus. This is the answer. 5 marks question, nothing is there. Okay. Okay, next example. 1 plus x square. Next example is 1 plus x square dy by dx plus 1 plus x square dy by dx plus 2xy. 2xy is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus. Okay, and mentioned y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 when x is equal to 1. Y equal to 0 when x equal to 1. This is the given example. Very first step is we have to convert it is in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q form. For that, solution into solution given. This is next divide throughout. Divide throughout by 1 plus x square. We get divide 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square divided by dx plus 2x by 1 plus x square into y. 1 by 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square. Once you have done, divide. Get cancelled, you get this dy by dx plus 2x by 1 plus x square into y, and you get 1 plus x square is the square. And already we know that this is in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q form. Therefore, what is our p here? We will write directly because you know that how to write 2x by 1 plus x square. P is 2x by 1 plus x square. Q is 1 by 1 plus x square the square. Okay. Next step, calculate integrating factor. Integrating factor is E integration of p dx. E integration of p 2x by 1 plus x square dx. Okay. Next, just concentrate. See, 1 plus x square differential is 2x. If differentiation of denominator exists in numerator, then always we are taking log. Therefore, we can write directly e to the power log of 1 plus x square, because 1 plus x square differential is 2x. E and log get cancelled, left it is 1 plus x square. And general solution is y into if is equal to integration of q into if dx. Okay, y into if. What is our if? Integrating factor. If is 1 plus x square is integration of q. Q is 1 by 1 plus x square the whole square into if 1 plus x square. With respect to x, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square get cancelled. Y into 1 plus x square. Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Y into 1 plus x square and 1 plus x square, 1 by 1 plus x square integration is tan inverse x. Okay, plus, or else we can write it is y into 1 plus x square minus tan inverse x. Okay, equal to, okay, call this is equation 1. Here this is general solution, but here already given point is when y is 0, x is 1, means we have to calculate particular solution. For that, put y equal to 0, put y equal to 0, x equal to 1 in equation 1. Okay, in equation 1, substitute y equal to 0. 0 into anything, see y is 0. Substitute here, 0 into anything is 0. Minus tan inverse of x is 1 is c. And this is minus pi by 4 is tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Next, substitute the value of c. Substitute the value of c in equation 1. We get, substitute the value of c in equation 1. We get, substitute, what is y into 1 plus x square minus tan inverse x equal to minus pi by 4. Or we can write y into 1 plus x square minus tan inverse x plus pi by 4 equal to. This is the particular solution of the given differential equation. Suppose if they mentioned the value of y and x. Okay. See, the next example is mentioned here. Find the equation of the curve passing through origin, means p of xy, it is given here, p of xy. This is the curve which is passing through origin, p of xy. xy is 0, 0 mentioned here. X, y. Given that the slope of the tangent, we know that slope of the tangent is dy by dx. Correct? Already we know that slope of the tangent to the curve at any point is equal to sum of the coordinates. Here coordinates are what? X and y. Means here dy by dx is equal to sum of the coordinates, means x plus y. This is what the given example mentioned. Find the equation of the curve passing through the origin. Okay, means the value of x and y are mentioned. The value of x and y are 0, 0. Given that slope of tangent, we know that slope of the tangent means dy by dx. Okay, and that is equal to sum of the coordinates. Sum of the coordinate means x plus y. This is the given example. Okay, means we can do this example by, that is solution given dy by dx is x plus y. Okay, this is given. Means we can write dy by dx minus 1 equal to xy. We have to compare by dy by dx plus dy equal to q. And we know that p and q are functions of x or constants. Here p is what? Minus 1 and q is x. Next step is calculate integrating factor I e integration of p dx. That is e integration of minus 1 dx. E integration of minus 1 is x, means e to the power minus 6. This is the integrating factor. Next, general solution calculation. Correct? GS. General solution. General solution is what? Y into if is equal to integration of q into if dx. Y into e to the power minus x is integration of q. Q is what? X. ef minus x. X e to the power minus x dx. And see, this is again a integration by parts method. We have to apply integration by parts method. That is here f of x we consider x and g of x we can consider e to the power minus x. Apply the formula. We know that integrating by factor, that is 1 into e to the power minus x is equal to apply. Shall I give? We know that integration of f of x, g of x formula is or f of x integration of g of x minus integration of integration g of x d by dx of f of x. Correct? That formula we have to apply. That is integration of first f of x. F of x is x. I will write directly. Integration of e to the power minus x minus integration of integration e to the power minus x d by dx of f of x with respect to x. Okay. Then we can write this 1 into e to the power minus x. X integration of e to the power minus x is e to the power minus x by minus 1 because function of function minus e to the power minus x by minus 1. Integration of x, differential of x is 1 dx. Okay, and this can be written as y into e to the power minus x is equal to minus multiplication minus x e to the power minus x minus into minus become plus integration of e to the power minus x dx. Okay, and this is y into e to the power minus x minus x e to the power minus x. Correct? And we know that integration of e to the power minus x is e to the power minus x by minus 1 plus. Okay, and this can be written as y into e to the power minus x. Take in the left hand side minus become plus x e to the power minus x plus into minus what we get it is plus into minus what we get it is minus, and take this minus in the left hand side we get plus e to the power minus x plus, or else we can say that it is equal to all this is equation 1. Okay, this is general solution. But we have mentioned already this curve, this general solution curve passing through the origin. Passing through the origin means put x equal to 0, y equal to 0 in equation 1 so that you can get the particular solution. Means y 0 means y into means it is 0 plus x 0, this is 0. Next e to the power minus 0 is 0. E to the power anything raised to 0 means 1. Put the value of c in equation 1. We get that is y into e to the power minus x plus x e to the power minus x plus e to the power minus x equal to 1. This is the particular solution of the given example. The verbal problem we converted in the form of numerical problem, and this one is also important example. Remember that linear differential equation is fixed as in the exam for 5 marks question. Any one question, we don't know which one. Okay, next one I will do it. Just try that example in home. The example is find the equation of the curve. Find the equation of the curve passing through the point 0, 2 means the value of x and y given is 0, 2. Next, sum of the coordinate means coordinates are x plus y and their sum. Sum of the coordinate of any point on the curve. Sum of the coordinates of any point on the curve is exceeds means increases the magnitude of the slope of the tangent means this is equal to 5 plus dy by dx. Slope of the tangent to at any point 5 means the sum of the coordinate point is exceeds the 5 more than dy by dx. Or you can rewrite this one as dy by dx plus 5 equal to x plus 1. Or else dy by dx plus what take this side minus 5 equal to x minus 5. Compare this one with dy by dx plus py equal to q. Correct. What p represent here? -1 q. X minus y. Apply as usual same procedure. Simplify. Okay. This completes linear differential equation. Okay, means the total topic is completed. Remember that. Here 2 marks, 3 marks and 5 marks they will give in exam. Okay, thank you.